So in today's video, we have another mystery box unboxing. So this is Ofra Cosmetics. So they had, what, a couple weeks ago, a week ago? I can't even remember. I don't remember what I had for dinner last night. But they had a mystery box that was $39. So I definitely picked it up. And yeah, let's unbox it. And then I also have another small little box here. It's small, but sometimes good things comes in small packages. So, if you want to see what I got, see if this mystery box was worth the $40, then keep on watching. All right, so like I said, Ofra had a mystery box. I put it on the community page. Now, I do have an affiliate link with them. It's justanne on all caps and saves you some money off. So I used my own code, let's just be real, on my mystery box, and it brought it down to like $31 or something like that. You save like $7.80 if you used my code. It also works on everything on the site. So, you know, even new items, okay? But I'm so excited. I have not opened this puppy up. I don't know what's in it. I haven't watched any unboxings. So let's see. Let me get my little knife. Now, usually they're pretty good. So that's why when I seen Ofra has a mystery box, I get on it every single time. I love their highlighters. I've said this for years. Ofra has one of my favorite formulas. And then drugstore is Wet n Wild, you know. But I love the Ofra formula. Let me know down below, did you get this box? And if you did, what do you think of it? I hope it doesn't have a lot of skincare in it because, oh, you know what? I'm so dumb. I can cut it open like this. Okay, Ann. Get it together. Well, maybe. Because I notice a lot of mystery boxes and even subscription box, they're putting like so much skincare in, you know? And we want the makeup. All right, so when you open it up, it says, thank you for shopping with Ofra. And then it has a card here. They came out with a Lotus collection. I do know that they're sending me this whole package. So when I do get it, I'll do a get ready with me. Oh, and I don't know what that was. I did a full face, well, almost full face, using all of Makeup Geek's products. So their eyeshadows, their blush, bronzer, highlighter, you know, because if you don't know, it's going out of business. And right now, they have 40% off. The discount will get off once you hit checkout. So if you don't see it automatically, once you go to checkout, it takes it off because I spent over $100 ordering like stuff I want to stock up on, especially their mascara. Anyway, that video will come up. I don't know when, but it will be coming up if you want to see how I got this makeup look. So make sure you have your bell, your post notifications turned on so you get notified when it does go up. Anywho, as soon as I get this as well, I will do a makeup look. I'm trying to get away from so many subscription unboxings and do more like makeup and reviews and stuff like that for you guys. You've been asking for a while, so you shall get that. All right, here's a little sneak peek. Not too much, you know, I like to tease a little bit. All right, let me make some room. All right, so there's no card because of mystery box. You just get whatever. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing, ooh, I have this already. So this is the highlighter in Rodeo Drive. This is a gorgeous highlighter. So let me open it up and show you what it looks like. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. I mean, look at that. I'm not going to open it because I already have probably 2 or 3 of these. And I will definitely put this in a future giveaway. Definitely. I mean, you're going to, what the heck? You try that again. You're going to love it. It's really a nice formula. I really like it. Okay. The next thing we got is this Cleanse It Off. Okay, so these are the lip wipes. So you get 15 of them. Do I have mine or did I use up? Here's mine right here. And I use these. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm not going to open this one right now. But I usually use these to take my swatches off. But let me show you. I mean, they're pretty big. You can use this for your face too. But it says it's lip wipes. But, I mean, you know. They're not like real wet, but they're wet, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? Like they take all my swatches off and stuff. So I'm glad to get that because you only get 15 of them. You know what I mean? So, all right, we have that. Ain't mad at that. Oh, the next thing is the hand sanitizer. Now, normally I would be like a hand sanitizer. Come on. But I go through hand sanitizers so much and I love putting this in my pocketbook. If you don't know, I have a second channel called Justanne's World, and I do a lot of car vlogs and stuff. And a lot of times when I car vlog, I get something to eat, and I'm always using the hand sanitizer. You know, I may not show you, I'll edit it out, because I mean, who wants to watch me put hand sanitizer on? But I want to see if it's a safety seal. Yeah, it's safety sealed. But I'm always going through so much hand sanitizer, so I'm glad to get that. Ooh, the next thing is a blush. So this is in Chameleon. I don't think I have this one. This is a gorgeous color. Right here. That's really pretty. Let's do a little swatchy swatch. All right, so that's going in one time. Let me deepen it up so you can see it. Okay, so I just deepened it up so you can see the color. That's going to look beautiful on me in the summertime. Okay. And then I got my little thing. Wipe to wipe my hands off. Okay, so the next thing, is this an eyeshadow palette? Yes, it is. It's their signature palette. Let's see if I have this one. Ooh, I don't have this one. All right, so that's what it looks like. It's like a plastic. Yeah, I don't have this one. So it comes with a nice mirror. The mirrors are always nice. Hello, gorgeous. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Now, I do like Ofra's shadows. They're not my favorite, but I do like them, you know? So I'm glad to get it. Let's swatch them. Okay, here's the first 4. It's really pretty. Okay, so that's just going in one time. This one you're not going to see because it's a light color. Not on my skin tone. Okay, let me go with that dark brown. Or no, it's an orangey color. Let me see. Let me see if they deepen up. Let's see. Okay, so it does deepen up. That's just going, you know, another time. So 2 times all together. So I tell you all the time, I enjoy palettes that that are buildable. For me, if they're pigmented right away, if you mess up, then you got to wipe it off for me, because I ain't no makeup artist. You know what I mean? I'm just a makeup enthusiast. You know what I'm saying? So I enjoy that. This one here, it's weird, right? Because it looks like darker, but when I swatch, it's like a light color, which I ain't mad at. You know, I'm glad to get that, because you put that in your inner corner or on top of a shimmer shade. You know what I mean? All right, so I'm happy to get that. And last but not least, oh, is their lipsticks. I do like their lipstick formula too. And what shade you be? In Canyon. Ooh, I don't think I have this one. Okay. So that's what she looks like. Let's do a little swatch. Regular applicator. And I'll put it right here. This is gorgeous. This is, wait till you see it. This is right up my alley. Like, come on. You guys know I would use this color, you know? All right, so let's recap everything that we got, and then I'll give you my thoughts. Do I think it's worth $39? All right, so we have the lipstick, which I do like the formula. It's not like my holy grail, let's be real, but I do like the formula a lot, you know? And I love this color, okay? So we have that. We have an eyeshadow palette, which it's really pretty. I'm glad to get this. We have a gorgeous blush. Yes, we do. We have a hand sanitizer. Now, like I said, you know, I wouldn't be so happy, but because of, you know, what we're going through right now, I like these sizes to like put right in my pocketbook, you know? And then we have the wipes. And for me, I like it because it helps me out, you know, with my YouTube. I can take my swatches off, you know, all that stuff. So, yeah. Oh, and the highlighter. These are like $35 right there. So, yeah, it's not their fault. I mean, I'm like a Ofra highlighter. Like, I have almost every shade. You know what I mean? But overall, I do think it was a really good box. Like, it's definitely worth the $39 if you look at this being $35 right there. You get your value. But let me know what you guys think. Did you like your box? Did you not? Let me know down below. Would you get this box if you could? And have you ever tried Ofra's products? All right, so I'm going to show you how I take my things off with the wipe, and then we'll get into this box right here. I'm really excited about this. All right, let me put this away. So I go with my handy dandy Patrick Star. It's called Go Off. Love this. And every time I take my swatches off, like lipstick and stuff like that, I just spray it. And we're going to go in with that wipe. And look at this. I mean, look. I mean, look, you've seen in real time. It took everything off completely. That's why I do enjoy the wipes and stuff. I mean, they're very handy for me, you know? Okay, so let's get into this. So this is from Cut the Craps Cosmetics. Yeah, Cut the Craps Organics, sorry. But this subscription box is called Lips and Lather, I believe. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen. But they also have a website called Cut the Craps, I want to say Cosmetics, because years ago when I first started YouTube, there was a makeup brand called that. But this is Cut the Crap Organics. And the reason why it's called that, Cut the Crap, because they like literally cut the crap and everything's organic, vegan, you know, all that type of stuff. So you can either get the subscription box or you can buy stuff off their website. Like I said, I'll leave everything down below. Yeah, Lips and Lather by Cut the Craps Organic. And this is the March box, so you always get, like, there's a theme every month. I think it's great. So March Lips and Lather is, I think it's like pancake, yeah, pancake stack. Oh my God, I love pancakes. All right, so I don't have my glasses. They're downstairs, so I can't read this to you. But if you want to screenshot it so you can read it. Let's see what I can read. It says, hello, soap fans. March 1st was a super important holiday. Did you miss it? Do you know what it was? National Pancake Day, of course. Oh, I didn't know that. If you passed it by with a syrupy pan-fried disc of batter, and I can't read what the hell this says. Anyway, in celebration of Pancake Day, that's what they did. So you always get a lip balm, and this is the maple syrup scented. And you guys know, I love me some lip balm. Oh yes, it smells just like syrup, just like pancake syrup. I mean, to the T. This is what it looks like. I don't know if I can wear it because it's going to make me hungry. I literally can eat this. Oh my God. And I do enjoy her lip balms. They are very nourishing and I do like them. It's definitely worth it, but wow, this smells good. Okay. And then I didn't show you what it would look like. That's right, because I'm so excited to get ahead of myself. That's what it looks like. It comes packaged very nicely. And then you always get a soap. Oh my God. Would you look at this soap? Handmade artisan soap, pancake stacks. Okay, let's open her up. This is all handmade and look. Okay. All right, let me just show you what it looks like. Would you look? I mean, look how beautiful that is. It's so nice. I'm not going to take this off because I already have one in there already. But look at the berries and the whipped cream and the syrup. Oh my God. Now this doesn't smell like so syrupy, which is a good thing because let's be real. You don't, for me, I wouldn't want to like smell like pancake syrup, to be honest with you. So I'm glad it doesn't really smell like that. It smells like soap, like really fresh soap, you know what I mean? And I noticed with her soaps, a lot of times once you wet them, there's like an exfoliant, like a little bit. Not all of them, but a lot of them have like an exfoliant, which is really, really nice, you know? If it's just you using the soap, you know? But, oh, that's just beautiful. And even on the back, you can see the syrup dripping down. This is really, I really like the subscription. And it's cheap enough, you know? It's not like real expensive. I think it's great. All right, I put that back in, and I'm going to put this right here with my other ones because I really enjoy it. So let me know what you think of this subscription. Oh, I'm going to show my address. What you think of this subscription? Is this something that you would get? Do you enjoy stuff like this? Let me know down below. All right, guys, well, that's everything. Please like this video. Like this video if you like mystery boxes. Let me know. Or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Leave a comment because that helps me out. Let me know what you think of mystery boxes, what you thought of the Ofra one, what you think of this Cut the Craps or Lips and Lather subscription. Is it something you would get? Let me know how your day is going. And that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God, this smells so good. Like, I literally want to eat you. That didn't sound too good. Now I want to go make pancakes for real. I'm hungry now. My stomach's growling.